Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You must start with consent. You cannot legally track someone without it. First, ask the person to enable location sharing on their device, Find My for iPhone or Google Maps for Android, and to sign into their account. Once done, make sure you are added as a trusted contact or shared user. You'll need credentials or an invite link to view live location. This prevents misuse and explains why carriers and apps require authentication and permission. Once sharing is enabled, open the correct app. Find My on iPhone or location sharing in Google Maps on Android. You'll send or accept an invite so your device appears on their map. If the person can't share, you can ask their mobile carrier for assistance, but only with the owner's consent or in emergencies. Carriers have strict verification steps. Make sure to check location accuracy and refresh intervals because GPS, Wi-Fi, and cell triangulation affect precision and update frequency. To complete the process, confirm the location feed is active and note expected precision in meters. If you lose updates, make sure the app has background location permission and that battery saver is off. Once done, test by having the owner move a short distance so you can see changes. If it still fails, ask them to restart the phone, check network connectivity, and resend the share link. If problems persist, contact app support or the carrier. Maintain consent throughout.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.